I'm investigating the world of AI safety, and I'm challenging myself to uncover the real risks and incidents that could affect us all. As we continue to rely more and more on artificial intelligence in our daily lives, it's essential that we take a step back and ask ourselves, are we really considering the potential risks and consequences of this technology? AI safety is no longer just a concern for tech enthusiasts. It's a crucial aspect of our digital landscape that affects us all, whether we realize it or not. Algorithmic bias is one of the most significant risks associated with AI, and it's not hard to see why when AI systems are trained on biased data, they can perpetuate and even amplify those biases in their decision-making processes. We've seen this play out in real-world scenarios, such as when AI-powered facial recognition systems disproportionately misidentify people of color, or when AI-driven hiring tools favor male applicants over female ones. Another risk is that of security vulnerabilities. As AI systems become more pervasive, they also become more vulnerable to cyber attacks, which can have devastating consequences. Take, for example, the story of a hospital in Germany that was forced to turn away emergency patients after its IT system was hacked, including its AI-powered medical equipment. Furthermore, there's a growing concern about the lack of accountability in AI development. Who's to blame when an AI system makes a mistake, and how do we hold them accountable? This is a question that has been at the center of several high-profile incidents, including the fatal crash of an autonomous Uber vehicle in 2018. And if we look at the world of healthcare, we can see how these risks can have life or death consequences. AI-powered diagnosis tools are only as good as the data they're trained on, and when that data is biased or incomplete, the results can be disastrous. As we navigate the complex landscape of AI safety, it's essential that we consider the implications of these risks on individuals, companies, and society as a whole. We need to think about how we can mitigate these risks, and what kind of regulations and safeguards need to be put in place to ensure that AI is developed and deployed responsibly. One encouraging development is the growing number of organizations and initiatives dedicated to addressing AI safety concerns. From governments to private companies, it seems that everyone is waking up to the importance of this issue. But despite these efforts, there's still a long way to go, and one of the most significant insights I've gained in researching this topic is just how urgent the need for action is. Take, for example, the story of a recent breakthrough in AI regulation that highlights the need for more stringent safeguards. It's a sobering reminder that the stakes are high, and that we can't afford to wait any longer. In the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic, we've seen how AI can be used to accelerate the development of vaccines and treatments, but we've also seen how it can exacerbate existing biases and inequalities. This is a powerful reminder of the importance of prioritizing AI safety, and of considering the long-term consequences of our actions. The need for ongoing vigilance and improvement in AI technologies cannot be overstated. This is not a problem that can be solved overnight, but rather a continuous process that requires the cooperation and collaboration of governments, companies, and individuals around the world. So, what do you think about AI safety? Let me know in the comments below, and if you want to learn more about AI ethics, be sure to check out our video on the darker side of AI development.